Law set to go into effect in 2023 will criminalize people who sleep on state-owned land. Our Missouri Capitol Bureau Chief Emily Manley explains the legal challenges that legislation now faces.
The Missourians who filed the suit say this law makes it dangerous for people who are struggling to find shelter. But a lawmaker behind the legislation says it wasn't intended to turn the homeless into criminals. Instead, it was to offer more resources to those who need it the most.
I don't know that this bill or any bill is perfect. It's a step in the right direction. I do know that what we're doing now just isn't working.
Republican Representative Bruce DeGroat says this new law is a way to help people get off the street. Instead of using federal and state funds to build affordable housing, municipalities must build temporary camps offering resources.
So it gets them off of the streets and into an area that's safer. They are screened for drug and alcohol. They are tried to give programs. Hopefully they'll get a hot meal and a place to take a shower. They certainly have sanitary bathrooms.
Under the new law sponsored by DeGroat, he says these encampments would be patrolled by law enforcement.
The intent of the bill isn't to turn the homeless into criminals. It's intended to help them.
But for those who sleep on state-owned land, like under overpasses or bridges, at first would face a written warning. Then after that would face a $750 fine or a misdemeanor.
Making it to where people will have to be in camps if they are homeless in order not to be potentially ticketed or taken to jail.
Jesse Honeycutt is suing to stop the bill.
We're trying to just eliminate the bill before it even goes into play, because once it does, it's going to be so destructive.
She works for a nonprofit in Springfield who helps those experiencing homelessness find shelter.
So I see a lot of people struggling hard, and this will severely impact them.
Jonathan Bird is also suing the state. Formerly homeless himself, he's afraid of the new law's impact.
There is this misconception that homelessness is just some bad choice you make. A homeless person, it could be either one of us on a bad day.
The legislation also allows the Attorney General to sue local governments that don't enforce the law and threatens the loss of state and federal funding for housing and homelessness. For now, the law goes into effect January 1st. Reporting from Missouri Capitol Bureau, I'm Emily Manley.